Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Before you solve one, you have to scramble it. The first step is to make a white cross. You have to find the white centerpiece and make a plus sign. Second, you have to get the corner pieces in. Now the bottom layer is solved. Third, you have to use the algorithms to get the edge pieces in. Fourth, you have to use the algorithms to swap. Next, you have to use the algorithms to get these 4 pieces facing the right direction. After that, you have to use the algorithms to get these 4 pieces in the right spot. Finally, you have to do a Denmore, H or fish. Here, this is what the H looks like. Then the Rubik's Cube is solved. You could also have to do a Denmore fish. This is what it looks like. It looks like a fish. Thank you for learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube with me. Bye!